Do you freeze up when someone asks your phone number in English? Numbers are everywhere. Prices, dates, addresses, phone numbers. Today you will learn to use numbers in real life. Let's go. Welcome to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. In this lesson, you will learn how to say prices, dates, and phone numbers in English. These are skills you need every single day. Ready? Let's start. Section 1. Prices. When something costs money, we use numbers. Listen to these examples. This shirt costs $15. The coffee is $3.50. That means $3.50. It's on sale for $12.99. When you see a price, say the dollars first, then the cents. Practice with me. $2.75. Say it. $2.75. Good. Now try $19.99. You say $19.99. Perfect. Section 2. Dates. Dates use ordinal numbers. These are first, second, third, fourth, and so on. Listen. Today is April 2nd. My birthday is June 15th. The meeting is on March 3rd. In American English, we say the month first, then the day. April 2nd, July 4th, December 25th. In British English, people say the day first, the 2nd of April. For years, we split the number into two parts. 1999 is 1999. 2024 is 2024. Practice with me. Say the year 1985. Answer 1985. Well done. Section 3. Phone numbers. Phone numbers are easy when you know the trick. We say each digit separately, one by one. Listen to this number, 555-234-7890. You say 555-234-7890. We pause after every 3 or 4 digits. The digit 0 is sometimes called O in phone numbers. So 07911 could be 07911. Practice with me. Say this number 800-555-1234. Answer 800-555-1234. Great, you can handle any phone number now. Quick recap. Let's review what you learned today. Prices, say dollars first, then cents. $4.99. Dates, month, then day in American English. March 10th, years split in 2, 2005 or 2005. Phone numbers, say each digit one by one. Pause between groups. These 8 skills will help you every day. Practice them out loud. The more you say them, the more natural they feel. Now it's your turn. Write a comment below with your birthday in English. For example, my birthday is August 7th. I read every comment. I will reply to yours. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. It helps other beginners find us. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.